Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Tesla Loop Android unit for the 2018 Dodge Ram that it didn't come with backup camera. That's where we use our flash mount backup camera in tailgate handle. It's perfectly flash mounted to the factory spot. So the unit is installed, as you can see. Right now it's on navigation mode, and that's where we are located, in 160 Conrad Crescent in Markham, Ontario. The climate controls all touch screen right now, so you can turn it on, you can turn it off, and by touching it, it pops out here, and you can control the climate control. And you can go back to home. That's the default menu. Also, you can play multimedia through this unit, full screen. And by going to reverse, the screen switch to backup camera. And also we go back to park, it goes back to same screen again. These are all the apps like Google Maps, Waze, Gmail, and other apps that you want. You can install them on this unit. And the other feature that it has, you can go to backup camera without going to reverse. You can choose that option. If you tow anything, that would be really handy to use it. And also you can do the mirror screening from your Android phone or from your iPhone as well. If you're interested to get this type of Tesla units, you can buy them from our website 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our sales rep will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.